guess what day it is today? Today is the day I am moving into uni. I woke up really excited, but then it finally hit me, I'm actually moving in today, and I became really sad. I just came back from dropping my dog off to my uncle and auntie's house because basically whenever he sees us packing bags or suitcases and stuff like that, he gets really depressed and upset, and he gets like anxiety because he knows we're gonna like leave him when we go on holiday, so he knows we're gonna leave him. So obviously I had to pack my stuff for uni, so I didn't want him to see like us putting everything in the car and then dropping him, because then he'd get really upset. So that's why we ended up just leaving it at my uncle and auntie's house, so that he thinks he's on a like day trip or something. So then by the time my parents drop me off and come back home, they'll pick him up on the way back, so he'll think he just had like a day trip rather than we actually are like leaving him, so he won't be as upset. It is currently 1:45 and I'm going to be leaving for Warwick at around 3 o'clock, whenever my mum can finish her work, because my dad took the day off today. And I'm just gonna go shower, get ready, so hopefully the next time you see me I will be nice and ready. And I am ready now. It's probably around 3 o'clock. I've showered, put everything in the car. I just need to eat because I'm starving, I'm not eating it all day. And then we are gonna leave for Warwick, so I'm just wearing a little dungaree. I'm obsessed with dungarees right now, and my little top. You didn't see before, but basically everything was on the floor. I just got to take that and that bag left, and then I'm done. That suitcase is empty, by the way. I am done. The car is literally full to the brim. I'll show you when I get into the car, but right now I don't want to run late, so I'm gonna go downstairs, eat food, and then we're all probably gonna go and leave. So yeah, let's say bye to my room. Probably see you in a few weeks. It's a little bit messy. Bye room. Hey guys, I'm in the car. We ended up leaving a lot later than expected. We're just about to leave. My parents are just doing the last sort of packing, and as you can see, the car is full to the brim. I'm literally sat like like this, and my two little succulents in my bag here. So I will see you on the other side. Bye. So we were in the car for about an hour and 15 minutes until we reached campus. This is the campus. It's really, really pretty. These are some of the residences where you can stay. This is called Bluebell. And so after this, we got to the car park. Once we reached the car park, I was given my keys and my room stuff, everything like that. It was so well organized, is what we thought. Very easy. And then finally, this is just me driving to my room after getting my keys. And finally, this is me going into my accommodation building. I live in Arthur Vic. This is Arthur Vic 2, and this is where my room is. Guys, I've just reached Warwick and I'm on my floor in Arthur Vic trying to find my room. I think this is my room. Oh my god, this is my room. Okay, this is my room. Okay, I got the new building, so I'm so happy. It's so nice. You can see my car out there. That's my parents. That's my parents. We've only got a certain amount of time to unload, so I'll have to just finish the vlog in a bit after I just finish unloading. Okay guys, as you can see, I have now fully put everything in my room. Okay, it's not fully unpacked, so I have a lot of stuff. My mum's in the bathroom setting up some stuff. I put my kitchen stuff in the kitchen. Met two of my flatmates so far, not properly because we were just putting stuff in the kitchen. But yeah, so now I'm gonna do my bed because this is the bedding that I was given and I'm not a fan. So I'm gonna make my bed, set all this up, which probably will take a long time, and then probably wait for my dad, who is on his way back. He parked the car because we only had like a certain amount of time we could stay. So he's parking the car, and then he'll probably come and help me set up everything. And then yeah, it's one of the new ones. There was only two new built, and then there was one old one which was AV3, and I was just so scared if I got that one, but thankfully I did not. So I've got a lot of unpacking to do. Ooh, my box of food, and then just some more stuff, and I'm gonna do my bedding now. So yeah, see you in a bit. So just me there, my little sink. I'm so happy. I got like a really big shower, which I'm so happy about, and then the toilet, and a storage cabinet, which is nice. There's actually a lot of storage, and I didn't think I would have that much, but I actually have a lot. So I'm gonna finish unpacking, and I'll show you the rest of the room. Hey guys, so it's almost 10:30 at night, and my parents have just left, and it was really emotional. Oh, I'm gonna cry. No, but it's okay. So after we ate, we just went to Tesco, picked up my groceries. Now my parents just left, literally like 10 seconds before this. I was waving bye to them out my window. So I'm going to give you the much awaited room tour. It's pretty much almost there, so I'll start from the start, obviously. I've got my cupboards. These are empty right now. I need to put my clothes in them because I've got my suitcase there. I need to empty out that. I've got a couple of coats already. And then we get to my room. So I just have my shoe rack here of all of my shoes. So I've just got like, oh, that was meant to be a door stopper, but then it's the door slam's too heavy for it, so yeah. And these are just some of my shoes I've got, and then these are like some books, obviously because I still do tuition for GCSEs and A-levels. I've got all of those books. Oh, we just went out to eat, so I just had a bag. Map for my campus, a mirror, a table lamp. This is like really cool. This is different to the one that I showed you in my tour. My uni haul. You can charge your phone there, and it's pretty cool. And then some snacks. My uncle and auntie made me some tutti frutti cake. Some stationery that I need to open up. My snack area, so it's like typical Indian stuff like cashew nuts and raisins, and then some Indian snacks as well, mango bites, and then just chocolate. And then I got some more cake and chocolate, whatever. I need to unload that, but that's my makeup. The bookshelf is so cool, like it's huge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some fairy lights, the fairy lights I showed you in my haul, just across there. And then also my pin board, so it's going to be like around, and then have pictures. This is my bed. Oh, there's a random piece of bread. Okay, I need to figure out a place to put the bread. And once I finish emptying it out, I'll show you again, like finally how it all is. So yeah, see you in a bit. Hey guys, it's currently the next morning. As you can see, I have literally woken up about half an hour ago. I'm eating some cake my uncle and auntie made me. And I'm just getting ready for my tuition. I've got a student in a bit. But yeah, so I've got like an English lesson, GCSE English. Since you guys are already here, you might as well hear what I have to say. So, you guys know I do tuition, so I do GCSE and A-level tuition. The link is in my description down below, and you can check out my website for all the details on my tuition. If you're interested, feel free to DM me on Instagram, email me, whatever. You just message me and I'd be more than happy to do that now, because at uni I've got a lot of free time, but also you know how student lives are. Instead of getting like a job outside, my job is kind of my tuition. So yeah, so feel free to just message me if you want any help with GCSEs or A-levels. I would be able to tutor you. So yeah, not only that, but if all of you watch my channel videos for 1 hour, that will help me get monetization, because YouTube changed their rules and all of this and that, so I need a few more hours of watch time, and if you guys can help me reach that goal, I would be so grateful. So please make sure you watch that. Hey guys, so it's currently Sunday from when I first moved in. I moved in on Friday, and I finally finished like decorating my room. It's the morning, so I'm a bit messy, but I finally finished. So I'm gonna just show you today because I don't want to leave it later. So I just put some fairy lights all over here, and this is like my snack area. My mum put me some snacks there. Extra stuff there. This took me ages to sort of organise. They're just some stuff. My keys, my laptop, mirror. This is a lamp. My dad got me this really cool lamp. It's really cool. I have to set my Alexa, and then I just like put all my stationery. This kind of needs to be sorted out still, but that can be done later. And then my bed, I kind of made it. This is all my, I guess, makeup, skincare, stuff like that. And then I forgot to take pictures on my way leaving, so I literally took what was on my bedside, which is my dad and me when I was a baby. That's for letters, and my whiteboard actually goes there. I just had a tuition as well, so I just put that there for now, but I'm going to hang that up over there, so then I can also put my reminders and all of that stuff over there. So yeah, this is my set out. There's just some dirty clothes and stuff, yeah. When my whiteboard's hung up, it looks like that, and I really like it. I think it's so cute. My room was warmer last night than the night before. So yeah, here's my little succulent. So growing so nicely. And I think some more people are moving into my flat. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video here because I've literally got to go now. But anyways, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a huge thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below to see me weekly. Anyways guys, I will see you next time. Bye.